Kartigai Deepam and Tiruvannamalai are always remembered together because when we say Kartigai Deepam, immediately we get associated with Tiruvannamalai because there we have the temple for Lord Shiva. And at Tiruvannamalai, Lord Shiva is worshipped in the form of Agni. And on the day of Kartigai festival, they light the lamp on top of the hill because they consider that hill itself is a god, is Shiva. So this is very much connected with this belief, is very much connected with Puranas. So the Purana says that once Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma, they were arguing with each other and each one was saying that they are superior. And they wanted to talk to someone about it and they found a pillar of fire in front of them and they asked that pillar, Lord Shiva was in the form of pillar but they didn't know about it. So the fire answered that whoever finds the top or bottom of me, that is the fire, is the greatest. Then Lord Brahma took the form of Annam, the swan, and he tried to find the top of the fire pillar. Lord Vishnu, he took the form of Varaha, the giant pig, and he tried to see the bottom of the pillar and they were moving in their directions for years together, but they couldn't. So Lord Vishnu came back and informed Lord Shiva about it. Lord Brahma, he was going up and on the way, he saw the flower Tazhambu. In English, they call it screw pine flower. And Lord Brahma asked the Tazhambu and he thought that Tazhambu is from the Greetam, that is head portion. So he has reached the head portion of the top portion of fire. But the Tazhambu replied, the flower said, I have been falling for 30,000 years together. Then Brahma thought, oh, that means it is not nearer. So I have to move for years together and it is somewhere high. Then it had some, but it believed, Lord Brahma believed that anyway he has seen that flower and so it is like almost reaching the head portion. So he took the flower, he went with the flower to the fire and told the fire that yes, I found the top portion. But Lord Shiva, he found out all this. So he got angry and cursed Lord Brahma that he will not have temple in the Bhuloka, the earth. And that Tazhambu will not be accepted for the puja. So that was a curse given to that flower. And he repented for that and there was a compromise made. So this is remembered on Kartigai Deepam day. So Shiva appeared in the form of fire. So that is why here you find the fire is worshipped. That Agni is worshipped. Shiva is worshipped in the form of fire. That's why they light the huge fire on top of the hill. On top of the mountain behind the temple, you can find a huge lamp is lighted on the day of Kartigai Deepam. People believe that Lord Shiva is in the form of Agni. So that is why here you find the Agni Swarupam Shivan is worshipped and they feel that or they believe that the mountain is Shiva. That is why the lamp is kept on top of the mountain and they feel that they are seeing Lord Shiva in the form of Agni there. So this is connected with the incident where Lord Shiva, Brahma and Vishnu, they came to the conclusion that nobody is superior. And that day Shiva was in the form of fire. So that is why here you find on Kartigai festival day this is taking place. That is, the fire form is worshipped here, and fire, that Agni, is made only on top of the mountain. That is the Kartigai Devam day that falls on full Purnami day. And this mountain, once, that is during Krita Yugam, it was in the form of fire. Then Treta Yugam, that was in the form of emerald. Then Dwapara Yugam, it was in the form of gold. And in Kali Yugam, it's in the form of mountain. So these changes took over. So this mountain is very holy. So here you find Girivalam. Girivalam is taking place on all full moon days, and that is very, very special on full moon day, which occurs in the month of Kartigai.